So now, let's look at 37.5% of 70. Think about your four numbers that you know, 50, 10, 5, and 1. Now first you may be thinking, well, that doesn't help me get the whole thing, the whole way. Well, don't worry about getting the whole way, just get part of the way. So we have 3 10s to get 30. We have a 5 and 2 1s to get 7. And all we have left is a 0.5. And you're like, I don't know how to do 0.5, I hate this. But don't worry, because we have all these other numbers that can help us along the way. So let's get that 0.5 out of your mind for a second and just work this in pieces. So we know that 10% of 70 is 7, 10% of 70 is 7, 10% of 70 is 7, okay? Half of 10 is 5, half of 7 is 3.5, okay? We just learned that 1% of 70 is 0.7, 1% of 70 is 0.7, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add a number. I'm going to add 0.70. Same number, just adding a 0. So now, when we get to the 0.5, we say, listen, 0.5 is half of 1. So if 0.5 is half of 1, just find half of 0.70. 0.35. So now we have all of our pieces to get 37.5, and all we have to do is add up all of these numbers here. So let's look. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 plus 3.5 is 24.5. 2.7s are 1.4. So that would be 24.5 plus 1.4, 25.9. Yep, add 0.35 to that. That would be 26.25. Now, I just did that in my head because nothing's more boring than watching someone else do arithmetic. But please take your time when doing this. Do it out, line up the decimal points. But the answer you should get is 26.25. And that would give you 0.5% of 70 is 26.25. Good job.